It's been absolutely incredible to be in this venue. It's been so inspiring. All the styling, there's been so much attention to detail with every single element, the food, the venue, and even like just being around other people.
It's great to share our stories because we're all, we all run our own businesses, and obviously we all work in an element of design as well. We have lots of notes to compare.
I came all the way down from the Czech Republic, but the experience to come here and to see other people with different backgrounds and with different approaches and with different clients is very enriching, and I think that what she's doing has a great impact.
Obviously the location is stunning, and I mean Fiona just as a stylist is just fantastic, so every little detail has been attended to.
It's what Fiona does well, a place to gather and be inspired.
For me, this is like a huge investment into my business because I'm learning more about how to make my designs better for my clients.
And it's great to have the immediate feedback, to be able to ask a question straight away when you come across something that's not clear to you.
At the end I was like, tell me more about the other sessions. I want to know about the next ones because I can't wait to do them.
It's definitely a lovely experience because the food is delicious, and of course meeting all other people is fantastic.
Fascinating, honestly. I came with one mind and I've left with another.